Hello friends, welcome to technical channel. Friends, if you want to shut down your laptop or your PC through keyboard, okay, so I will show the procedure. The first, you have to press this button, okay. You can see, watch this, okay. Then you have to press X, okay. Then what you see, the such type of display. Then you have to press, just see, U, okay. Again you have to press U, okay. So you have to just I replay my option, that you have to press first this with then X, after that U, and second time U, then your laptop will be shut down. Okay friends, tata, bye bye.